I put my suit on at home just to try and see what color I want. I couldn't decide between purple or blue. So this is my blue suit. Probably gonna go with this one. I'm not really sure, but I really love this turquoise color. But I was actually also thinking maybe I should go with the purple. My tan would be darker. It's only a couple coats up here, which I did at home, and my boyfriend helped me with that. So I use a Pro Tan. I really like this product, and it gives me a really nice color. So I applied a couple coats. Anthony helped me with that, of course. So as of right now, I'm just trying to dry out and apply 2 more coats tonight. Alright, what I want to show you guys right now, I want to show you what I'm packing for tomorrow's show. My meals for tonight, since I'm not staying home, and for tomorrow. Okay, let's go to my kitchen. Guys, so I'm packing my meals for tomorrow. For my breakfast, most likely before the show, I want to have one pack of oatmeal. I just trying to go with oatmeal, which is low sugar kind. Also, I like to have with me hard-boiled eggs. It's easier to eat the full egg or just maybe egg whites. I'm having a couple meals here as well. This meal is for tonight. They're all frozen, so it's easier to me to defrost it. It's chicken and green beans. I did not use any sodium in there because tonight we're not eating any salty foods. However, this is for tomorrow. I'm going to my show and I'm gonna pack it with me. It's low carb Italian style ground turkey over spaghetti squash. So it's from Fit Food and J, and protein 43, carbs 18, fat 15. Very healthy, great version. Those meals I just this meal just packed myself. I put up here some cauliflower rice and some shrimp somewhere there, and just some nuts. I also take in with me some cold brew, some stevia, truvia or something like that, and I have some rice cakes. They are salt free, some rice cakes. I have with me a candy. Yes, don't ask me why do I have a candy, but it's before the stage. Me and my coach will like to eat piece of candy right before hitting the stage, so that's why I have candy. Rice cakes, sugar-free, what's that? Sugar-free Smuckers, red raspberry something, and we have peanut butter. We have peanut butter and it's delicious. So I like put this in the rice cakes and eat in the morning right before the show. That is my luggage bag. You know, it's not organized yet at all. My second suit. Very pretty. I have some shoes which are going to be wearing on stage. Some portable mirrors. Some hair stuff, makeup stuff. Some clothes which I'm not afraid to ruin. Some jewelry. Some extra pair of shoes. I'm going to actually show you those. They are very pretty. Oh my god, look at them. I don't think I'm gonna end up wearing them just because they are very high and a little bit uncomfortable, but how pretty are they? And some jewelry. So that's my luggage bag. I've been a prep since January, and as of right now, today is July 4th. Happy 4th of July, guys. And tomorrow is in PC Universe. I was nationally qualified from my last show. My first show. That was last year in April, John Kemper Classic. And I took second place on my first show ever, and I got nationally qualified, which was absolutely amazing. And I can't believe I was able to place that. Anyway, tomorrow in PC Universe, my first national show. I'm very excited and nervous, and I don't even know what to expect because I've never had that kind of show before. I typically had regional shows, and they're still kind of small. And obviously, NPC Universe would be more than 300 just bikini competitors, and each class about 40 people. I registered a couple of days ago, and pricing is a little higher than, okay, double of regional shows. But of course, it's so many competitors, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be so much fun. I started my prep in January. Me and my coaches, we basically counted my calories, and every other week or two, we were removing them. As of right now, I am 114 pounds. My height is 5'6" and a half. I started at 140 in December, and as of right now, as you can tell, I dropped 25 to 26 pounds. It's a lot of weight, yes. I mean, of course, I'm dropping the water because my show is tomorrow. So my typical regular weight going to be 116, 117. But once again, as of right now, I'm 114. So my last week before the show, what did I do? What did I eat? How did it go? As some of you know, I like follow approach if it fits your macros. However, I eat clean majority of the time, and I never really eat that kind of foods. I eat whole foods. However, I do like use a lot of calorie-free dressings and a lot of substitute for sweeteners, which is not really good for you, to be totally honest. Yeah, shouldn't be doing that, but what can you do when you're on the diet? So I've been on very low calories past, I would say, month or two. I had 2 more shows before that, and right now it's my last show. It's July. I started January, so it's been 6 months, yeah, 6 or 7 months I've been on prep. As of right now, I am at 40 grams of fat. I am at 170, 160 of protein, and 55 of carbs. To be totally honest, I feel every other day I've been eating more than that. I've been tracking, but I have a very demanding job where I work 50 plus hours a week, and some days it's just much longer or much harder, and ended up eating a little bit more. Which in a perfect world I shouldn't be doing that, but it's just life and you have to make things work. Anyway, I'm sorry, on average I'm at 1200 calories, sometimes could be 13, 14. We had refeed meals like maybe every other week. Yeah, maybe every other week, maybe once a week. So that was pretty good and sustainable. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, since show is Friday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I had my last workouts. It was full body workouts. Did not do much cardio. My last cardio was on Monday because I want to prevent water retention in my legs. Water intake. I do what I do. Me and my coaches, we do 2 gallons of water starting Saturday. So for instance, I would drink Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 2 gallons of water. Thursday, which is today, I would drink 0.75 gallons of water. And my show is tomorrow. I'm gonna drink no water till I'm going on stage, or just very minimal, up to half a liter, put it this way. Why we do this? I mean, some of you know, some of you not. So my body can get used to so much water, and once we're going to cut, my water is just going to be depleted, and I'll be very lean, and more my conditioning would be much better on stage.